Hello everybody, welcome back to another Lulu Ladybug Creations tumbler tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing y'all step by step how I made this really pretty tumbler. It's a Peekaboo Spanish again inspired tumbler, and it's also ombre, painted ombre. Y'all know what I mean. But the saying is in Spanish. It says el amor entra por los ojos, which means love comes in through the eyes. So I hope y'all enjoyed today's tutorial. If y'all have any comments, leave them down below, and please go and check out my wish list that I have in the description as well. And I really do hope you enjoy this tutorial. Thank you for watching again, and please watch till the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. And yeah, I'm glad y'all here. I really appreciate y'all. Thanks. Alright, so we're going to start off with Avalanche. It's from the Glitter Guy, and we're going to use the Mod Podge method. Now I've already prepped this tumbler. I sanded it down with 120 grit sanding block, and I spray painted it with Rust-Oleum white, and it's matte white. So we're going to go ahead and cover the entire tumbler with the Mod Podge, and then as our adhesive, and then we're going to sprinkle in our Avalanche from the Glitter Guy. Now I'm already low on this glitter. It's so pretty, and I can't find it anymore. The Glitter Guy doesn't have it on his website, and this one I got at the Hobby Lobby, and they don't sell Glitter Guy anymore. So I'm gonna have to find an alternative for this glitter because it is really pretty. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get this covered entirely in Avalanche, and then we're gonna place a coat of Resin Rockers Perfect Finish epoxy. Now this template that I got, I sized it up 9.46 by 8. And we're going to get it placed onto the tumbler. Now, it is, what do you call those? A seamless. It's a seamless pattern. But of course, I always have to make adjustments when it's all placed on the tumbler. I have to move around some of the little cuts because I either don't put it on straight or I don't cut it exactly the way, the exact measurement of the cup. But that's okay. So we're going to go ahead and get this placed on the tumbler. Make sure you have your seams as close as perfect as you can. And then we're going to go ahead and peel off the transfer tape from this template, leaving on the black. And once we get it, then we'll spray paint it. Now the details to this template there's a lot of little details to it. So I was having some trouble with it sticking to the backing and not wanting to go into my cup. So what I was trying to do here is go ahead and peeling it all off, and then using my squeegee to try to lay it as best I can flat on the tumbler. Now I'm using a 20-ounce tumbler that I got from Makerflo. I am affiliated with them, so they everything, the description to this, the link to this cup is listed in the description below. So you want to make sure that when you're peeling off the transfer tape that you make sure that stencil is laying down flat and it doesn't pull up. So pay close attention to that when you're lifting up the transfer tape, because you want the image to stay down. It's happened to me a couple of times where I'm lifting up the transfer tape and some of the I don't pay attention, and some of the stencil comes up, so it kind of throws the image off a little bit. But everywhere where you see black, when I spray paint it, that black is going to stay, it's going to show the white glitter through. Normally I use stencil vinyl, but I found that with little bitty intricate images like this, detailed images, temporary black vinyl works for me as my stencil. So here I'm making adjustments, trying to scoot the little images over so that they fit seamlessly onto my tumbler. You want to make sure your pattern is flush to the cup so that none of the spray paint seeps underneath. Now, I was only going to spray this tumbler with just Colorshot splash, but I went ahead and decided to do an ombre, and I used Scuba, Colorshot in Scuba, as well as Colorshot splash. So now it's time to peel up all these, the stencil. I know I say all the time, this isn't my favorite part, but yet I always do Peekaboo tumblers. but yeah, this is just, I don't care for this part. But the ending is always beautiful, so that's why I always do Peekaboo tumblers. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get all this peeled up, and then we'll place a coat of epoxy, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so I got these images, these little, and I forgot the name of the flowers. I think they were called, let me look at mine. I don't understand why. Okay, well, I got them from Creative Fabrica, but it says 5 DOTD inspired flower illustrations. And what I did was I did Spanish flowers. I searched for Spanish flowers, and this was one of the results that came up. So I cut out these on printable vinyl paper and placed them just toward the bottom of the tumbler. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my my little logo and place it at the bottom, and then I'm going to cut that last little flower I have in half and put it on top of my logo. Since some of the flowers went over the bottom end of the tumbler, I'm going to use this edging tool to trim those flowers at the bottom so that I'll have a straight line, a cut line all the way around the tumbler. Now I did need to change the blade out and I didn't, so it gave me a little trouble cutting the vinyl. So make sure you use a fresh blade when you are trimming your tumblers. All right, so this little quote, el amor entra por los ojos. The font is called Saboteur font, and I got it from Creative Fabrica. The link is in the description below. So, and I used two colors. I used white vinyl, and then I used, oh my goodness, I can't even remember what the other color was. I took it out of the box already, so I don't remember what. It's just a pretty shiny metallic purple that I had on hand. But once I get all this laid down flat, then we'll put the final coat of epoxy. And then this cup is done. El amor entra por los ojos. Love enters through the eyes. And I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. These are final photos. It came out really, really, really pretty. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating this tumbler. Y'all be sure to leave me comments below. I really do love y'all's feedback with suggestions that y'all might have for tumblers that I make, or suggestions y'all might have for future tutorials. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and leave your comments below. Thank y'all for watching.